Good afternoon, it's the 26th of August, it's bank holiday, it's about 15 degrees, quite pleasant, and there's the Viking Venus cruise ship in. Don't think I've videoed it before. It's one of a number of Viking vessels, and that's the Asmara in over here. Viking Venus probably takes about 400 or 500. The Asmara takes about 350, and panning on round Victoria Channel is this vessel here. I was trying to see what it was in another video. This is the Odyssey, and it's getting some work done on it by Harland and Wolff. I don't even know if Harland and Wolff are still operating here or operating. There's all sorts of problems going on, people resigning and all the rest of it, but I think they are still operating. But watch this space. Harland and Wolff are not in a good position at the minute, but the Odyssey seems to be getting a bit of work done down here in Victoria Channel. I'll get rid of myself here. Smallish cruise ship. Don't know anything much about her, to be quite honest. I'd say she'd take maybe 200 or 300 passengers. Not big at all. But then smaller cruise ships can get into smaller locations that the bigger cruise ships can't. So this is where I am. Big Amazon hub over here. And we were on a cruise down the Greek Islands and all the rest of it there a few months back, and a lot of the Greek islands refused to let Amazon anywhere near them because they have wrecked the small businesses, small shops. But we are open for business in Northern Ireland to Amazon, and they are pretty good. You know, it's next day delivery. But at the same time, they're destroying small businesses. Okay, head on.